Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go over how to assemble the crayon and pencil hair bow. So for this project, you need to stitch out these designs on the mesh wash away stabilizer, and then we're going to cut it, dip it in water so you can remove the stabilizer, let this dry fully, and then we can assemble it. So let's get started. Let me get some scissors and water. Both of these bowls are going to be assembled the same way, and I'm going to be using the alligator clips for this. So we're going to take our bow piece, we're going to flip it to the back and glue in the center, connecting the sides in the middle. Once you have the bow assembled, we're going to grab the pencil piece and glue it right in the middle. Now we're going to flip it to the back and glue our clip. Lastly, we're going to add the centerpiece, so I like to divide it right in the middle, and then add a little bit of glue, and then wrap it around the bow. That's pretty much how you assemble these bows. I will link the files down below in case you're interested, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.